I should be over all the butterflies. I've been into you, and baby, even all the worst nights.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes, man.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today's video is all about this unit. It is from Nadula, okay? Playlist is going to be at the top. Information and details about this wig and the link to this particular wig is going to be down in the description box. You guys would think I would have this down packed, but today it's off to a rough start, already fumbling over my words. But you guys, if you're in need of a curly wig, Black Friday is the time to get one, okay? There's going to be sales all over the place with these hair companies, and Nadula is having one, so make sure you check out my description box. Okay, so let's get into the details about this unit. It is a 13x4 curly unit. I believe it's 150% density, and it was 24 inches, but I did some shaping just because I felt like I like everything to like frame my face and kind of have some shape to it, so that's exactly what I did, and I feel like it looks better. It's a beautiful curl pattern, but right now I'm loving the very defined look, and I know if I use my combing cream from Maui Products, which is in my Amazon storefront, you can get a more defined look. I just didn't do it now because, you know, I'm not about to put the wig on then define the curls. That's doing too much. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So the hair is very lightweight, it's very fluffy. I have finger combed it, and it's not too frizzy, just the amount of frizz that I personally like, but it's totally up to your preference on how you like your curls and all of that. So I did have to pluck this unit a lot. Okay, so keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting this particular unit. The lace is good, okay? I really do like the lace. It didn't really give me any trouble. I did end up using a little bit of my makeup, my leftover foundation on the brush, and I also went in, I didn't have to, but I went in with my lace conceal spray, just to like, I don't know why I did it. It's literally just like a habit at this point, but I did not need to use the spray. You would be good with just a little bit of your foundation on the lace, and that's it. Well, for me, that was the case. So this is going to be a very quick video. There's really not much to say about this unit. There's no major red flags sticking out. The hair just seems like an average curly wig. So leave a comment down below if you've tried this unit from this company. Let us know your experience, and I will check y'all out in my next one. Bye.
I'm so exhausted. Oh yeah, you be up all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it. Happens too often. It's so exhausting. I'm so exhausted. Oh yeah. Exhausted, oh yeah, you be up all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it, happens too often. It's so exhausting, I'm so exhausted. Oh yeah. Exhausted, oh yeah, you be up all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it, happens too often. It's so exhausting. I'm so exhausted. Oh, yeah.
I should be over all the butterflies I've been into you. And baby, even all the worst nights